Good evening, Doc Craig. May I present to you the table as well as its corresponding description of the thesis authored by Kingston Nyandoro entitled Language as a Factor Influencing Teaching and Learning Mathematical Literacy at Grade 12 in Muluto Circuit of Limpopo Province. Table 0.15 Mean Performance of English Language and Mathematics Literacy among learners at School G in Muluto Circuit, Limpopo Province, South Africa. The descriptive statistics show that the mean performance in the two subjects was higher in English language than in mathematics literacy, as shown in Table 4.6. A higher standard deviation in mathematical literacy with 15.21 also indicates a higher spread in performance in mathematical literacy than in English language with 9.24. This shows that there was more variation in mathematical literacy than in English language performance. So here's table 0.28. Mean performance of English language and mathematics literacy among learners at School I in Muluto Circuit, Limpopo Province, South Africa. The descriptive statistics show that the mean performance was higher in English language than in mathematical literacy, as shown in Table 4.41. A higher standard deviation in mathematical literacy with 12.93 indicates a higher spread in performance in mathematical literacy than in English language with 9.03. The coefficient of variation of mathematical literacy with 33.9% was also higher than that of English language with 19.3%. These observations show that there was more variation on mathematical literacy than in English language. Performance in English language was more consistent. There was also a significant positive correlation between performances in the two subjects, as shown in Table 4.42. Meanwhile, English language contributed 32.7% to the performance in mathematical literacy, as shown in Table 4.43. Based on the table, as well as its corresponding descriptive paragraph, I can't find anything wrong except for one, the missing table, which is Table 4.26. No matter how I scroll down, I can't find Table 4.26. So I think Table 4.26 is missing. But the rest, everything is good. In explaining the paragraph, all important data are highlighted, which made the paragraph very clear to understand. That's all, Doc Craig. Thank you so much for watching.